Welcome back everybody. So today in this video we are going to be making a wing bowl from an old oak countertop. So we're just making a mortise here. So we've just got pencil mark and we're just, like I say, making a mortise here. And you're going to make a mark there for the foot. Alright, so now we're just going to start turning it to shape. We're going to start by using the mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools. Take off some of them corners. There is the mid-size rougher. Back to the mid-size finisher. And there we go. Okay, we're just going to work our way to the bottom of the bowl now, and we're going to go in with the mid-size detailer. We're going to make the mortise. Go with the #1 hollower just to clear it all out. Mid-size rougher just to flatten everything off. And back with the detailer just so it matches the angle of the doors. There we go. Okay, so I've already done most of the sanding, so I'm just going to go with 240 grit here from Klingspor Abrasives. And some sand sealer from Hampshire Sheen. And some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. You can get this from Axminster in the UK or Northside Custom Crafts in the USA. There are links down in the description. You're going to wipe this all over until you get a clean paper towel and you have the equivalent of around about 1,000 grit.
But I rose up from the ground, just like I was spellbound. All the odds were against me, so I picked up the pace, and now I'm in the race. Give me some space. I'm a movement and I ain't losing. Gonna go, 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 go.
And we've got some Hampshire Sheen original Lustre waxer. There's also links down in the description if you wish to purchase any of the Hampshire Sheen products. Start off by wiping it all over the bowl. Make sure you get nice even coverage. Turn it up to about 1,000, 1,200, and then buff it in. Remember not to put too hard, you don't want to wipe off the wax that you just put on. You just want to build up the heat and buff it in. There you go. Alright, so now we're going to turn to the inside or the top. I'm just quickly getting a pencil here now to find where we're going to put the bowl. Speed up a little bit. Going with the mid-size detailer just to see where the bowl's going to be. And go in with the #1 hollower. Hog it out. And there's the mid-size finishers, just take out any ridges that might be left in there. There we go. Right, just like the outside, I've already done most of the sanding, so once again there's just going to throw the 240 grit. Once again from Clean Spore Abrasives.
I remember the day when we started talking. We were kids and I knocked down all of your marbles, but you did not seem to mind at all.
Bit of methylated spirits or denatured alcohol just to clean out any dust from the grain. Some sanding sealer once again from Hampshire. Some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste, link in the description.
Haven't changed a bit in my heart. Your words have never been wrong. You are my own safety zone. You're solid like a granite stone. It came very sudden the day when we moved away from what had been our home since forever. I was scared then.
There we go. And finally some Hampshire Sheen original Lustre wax to finish it off.
Change a bit in my heart. Your words have never been wrong. You are my own safety zone. You're solid like a granite stone. I know where we belong.
I want to thank everybody for watching this video. If there'll be some pictures at the end, if you want to check it out. So yeah, if you'd like to hit that thumbs up, share it your friends, share it your family, share it your enemies if you like. Please leave us a comment, let us know what you think, and until next week's video, I shall see you later. Bye bye for now.